This particular, as you have seen, that transparent materials are always having a problem of laser welding, or you can say laser marking. But this particular, our transparent polyamide 12 can be easily welded, as well as we have a special grades for laser marking as well. One more application is adhesion without adhesion promoters. For example, if you are looking for two plastics and bonding with the rubber, and this is done directly chemically. There is no mechanical interlocks are applied. So this is also one of the product with K&K technology which is being used, and we have developed specific grades in Westamide D, that's our polyamide 612, Trocomide T, and the Westron, that is the PPE material. We have a complete details about this. If any customer is interested in using such kind of application in their area, we can help them with this K&K technology. One more example is the solvent-free bonding system, where you must have come across a lot of metal to plastics and plastics metal combinations, plastics rubber combination, where sometimes solvents are used. But with our unique technology, we can get rid of these solvents, which are sometimes very harmful, and we can work together for some of the applications which are shown here with this metal part, and this is the plastic part, and this is again the rubber. So 3 parts in combination. Unfortunately, I don't have this sample, but we can discuss if some customers is looking for some solutions like this. Okay, we have reached to most sensitive areas also. For example, this is the X-ray CT scan table, and this particular U shape is our Roha cell. That's a polymethyacrylamide foam which is being used, and in some of the applications like medical implants like spinal cage are there, where our PEEK are used, and we have got certifications for medical USP class 6 certification which is required. We have got for our Westakip material as well. We have a dedicated medical grades also for PEEK material. Light and rigid to save our natural resources. Here also I will show that this Roha cell, which is basically a structural foam which is being used for application in aerospace, and there is a polyamide foam which is also being used for applications. One more interesting application in automotive is, as the vehicle, or you can say under the bonnet, the engines are getting compressed and the temperature are increasing. So one example is this particular charged turbo duct, where the continuous temperature range requirement was more than 160 to 170 degrees centigrade. Traditionally, it would have been polyamide 6 or polyamide 66, but they have a continuous service temperature range of to 150 degrees centigrade only. So we have developed this part. I have this part also with me. This is with the Westamide HT Plus PPA, and the continuous service temperature is 160 degrees centigrade plus, with the consideration of the humidity in almost all environments. This is red color. It is been shown in the picture. It's a coating. It's been coated for if you are looking for some more abrasion resistance as well. Okay, yeah. This is just a picture, a skateboard with Westamide HT Plus, and yeah, he's doing not on the ice but on the fires. We are also having an extrusion competence in not only in polymer but in process solution as well. As in earlier session also it has been discussed that we are basically polyamide 12s are into fuel line applications, but we not only provide into monolayer fuel line but also in multi-layer fuel line application like the Bharat Stage 4 emission norms, and now the Bharat Stage 5 emission norms will be coming up. So we are gearing up to provide the Indian tier 1 suppliers to develop a multi-layer fuel line solution. Apart from the fuel line application, we are into polyamide 12 based on the optic fiber cable application as well, and in some of the large pipes as well as in oil and gas industries as well. Some of the fuel lines samples are with me also. If somebody is interested, like For two-wheelers also, we can think of developing or replacing metal fuel lines into the plastics. We are already working with some of the two-wheelers OEMs, and we are hopeful that it will be implemented sometime. So this is the optic fiber cable, the orange color and the sheathing with polyamide 12, Vestamid. This is the fuel line sample for the passenger car vehicles, and this is again for Volkswagen, the blue material. Okay, one more, as I said, that for environmental and economical improvement of your infrastructure, what we have a solution over here is our Westonemer grade, which is a trans polyoctanomer. What we do is we add this into the asphalt mixture, and it extends the lifetime of that asphalt mixture. Okay, in India, not so with for the ice formation, but obviously for noise reduction is there, and for the increasing daily stresses which are available due to the large number of vehicles which are getting into the roads. So we have a solution. We are already working with a lot of tire manufacturers in India with this particular grade, and we are hopeful to add some more business in India. Some bio-based polymers, like we have a Vestamid Terra. I will just show you this chart. That this is the axis for global warming potential. What it says that amount of carbon dioxide released into the atmosphere per kg of the polymer which you will be using. For example, if you are using polyamide 6, the amount of carbon dioxide which is being emitted is something around 9 kg per 1 kilogram of polyamide 6 or polyamide 6,6, whereas our bio-based polymers will emit something around 4 or 2. Okay, something I would like to show about our Vestakip. That's our brand name for PEEK material. Today, or you can say right now, our competition materials which we have tested in-house, this video will show in some certain amount of load how it behaves. It's just a small video for 15 seconds, and it's a this is the PEEK material, and here is the load will be coming up. It breaks within say 15 seconds. Our competitor PEEK material. For tomorrow, or I can say we are already into the market. This is with our Vestakip material under the same set of the conditions, the load, and you will see. This is again our Vestakip. It will not break, I guess. The earlier was breaking something around 15 seconds, and this will be more than 1 minute or something like that. It will not break. So this kind of a solution which we bring to the industry. Okay. So this is the highest performance requirements which are known for the metals which can be replaced of our Vestakip material. For example, hottest temperature as well, aggressive environment, some friction part for applications like gears used in Xerox machines or something like that. I have a part also with me which I can show you. There are some implantable grade also for the human body, for the example teeth, which can be replaced. The teeth has been done by titanium. We can replace with our PEEK material as well. We are going to work with Indian hospital industries as well in this reference. I can show you some more, some part samples for PEEK material. This is not the doctor suitcase, it's my polymer kit. So these are the plaques. If anybody would interested to see our PEEK plaques, the PEEK powder, the PEEK granules to have a look into. This is the gear application which I was talking about in the Xerox machines, where the temperature is also continuously heating up due to the continuous building in the Xerox machine. So it is being used by peak. Then it is being used in stock shapes also, in rods, the Vesta Cape, the